Hi there, I'm here from my English Lessons channel, and I welcome you to this very special episode. We're going to go shopping at the grocery store. It's one of the most common places for English learners like you to use English. And we're going to help you learn how to shop at the grocery store. Let's begin. Now look here. I am at the entrance to the grocery store. I have my basket and I'm ready to go shopping. Look here at all these apples. There are many apples here. They're red, they're yellow, they're delicious. I'd like to buy one apple. Can you say, I would like to buy one apple? I would like to buy one apple. Very good. What does it mean to buy? To buy means you purchase something. You pay money for something, and then you can take it with you. I would like to buy one apple. That's perfect. So, I'm gonna pick this apple up. I'm gonna look at it because I want to see if it's good. Okay, it looks fresh. It looks good. So I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna put it in my basket. Okay, now I have one apple in my basket. Now, what else do we have here? Oh, we have some bananas. Bananas are great. I love bananas. How about you? Do you like bananas? If you like bananas, you can say, I would like to buy one banana. I would like to buy one banana. Very good. This one looks ripe. It looks good. Let's buy it. I'll put it in my basket. Now I have an apple and a banana in my basket. Look here. We have some bread. I need some bread for my house. My family likes bread. It's very popular in my country. So, I'm going to buy some bread. I would like to buy some bread. I would like to buy some bread. Fantastic. Look here. This bread looks good. I'm going to buy this one. And I'll put it in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, and some bread in my basket. What else do we have here? Oh, we have some oranges. Oranges are very healthy. They're very nutritious. They have vitamin C. Can you say, I would like to buy some oranges? I would like to buy some oranges. Excellent. I'm going to pick one up. I'll put it in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, and some oranges in my basket. What else do we have here? Oh, some milk. Milk is great. We drink milk every day in my house. Can you say, I would like to buy some milk? I would like to buy some milk. Perfect. This is some milk. It's cold. It's fresh. I'll put it in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, some oranges, and some milk in my basket. Let's go over here. Over here we have some eggs. Eggs are another very common food that people eat around the world. People eat eggs in America, in England, in Asia, in Africa, everywhere. Eggs are very common. Can you say, I would like to buy some eggs? I would like to buy some eggs. Great. Look here. These are some eggs. There are 6 eggs here. I'll put them in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, some oranges, some milk, and some eggs in my basket. What else do we have here? Oh, some yogurt. Yogurt is very popular in many countries. Some people eat yogurt for breakfast. Other people eat yogurt for lunch or dinner. Can you say, I would like to buy some yogurt? I would like to buy some yogurt. Good. I'm going to pick one up. I'm going to look at the price. The price is $1.39. $1.39. So I'll put it in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, some oranges, some milk, some eggs, and some yogurt in my basket. Let's go over here. Over here, we have some cereal. Cereal is a very common breakfast food. Many people in America eat cereal for breakfast. I ate cereal when I was a child. How about you? Did you ever eat cereal? Can you say, I would like to buy some cereal? I would like to buy some cereal. Fantastic. I'm going to pick up this box. Let's put it in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, some oranges, some milk, some eggs, some yogurt, and some cereal in my basket. Oh, and look here. We have some pasta. Pasta is very popular in many countries. In Italy, people love pasta. In America, many people eat pasta. What about your country? Do people in your country like pasta? Can you say, I would like to buy some pasta? I would like to buy some pasta. Excellent. Let's put this box in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, some oranges, some milk, some eggs, some yogurt, some cereal, and some pasta in my basket. What else do we have here? Oh, some coffee. Coffee is a drink that people enjoy. It's a hot drink. Some people drink coffee in the morning. Other people drink coffee after lunch or dinner. What about you? How much coffee do you drink per day? Can you say, I would like to buy some coffee? I would like to buy some coffee. Good. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to put it in my basket. Now I have an apple, a banana, some bread, some oranges, some milk, some eggs, some yogurt, some cereal, some pasta, and some coffee in my basket. Okay, I think I have everything I need. So, I am going to go over here to the cashier, and I am going to pay for my groceries. Here we are at the checkout. The cashier is a young man. He's very nice. Let me pay for my groceries. How much are the groceries? How much are the groceries? Very good. The cashier is going to calculate the price of everything. Your total is $10.78. Okay, I have some cash. Here is a $10 bill. Here is a dollar. Here is a 50-cent piece. Here is a quarter, and here is a dime. Do I owe you any change? Yes, you paid too much. Let me give you back $3.05. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. And here I am at my house. I'm going to unpack my groceries. I'm going to put my groceries away. Let's begin. First, I'm going to put the apple on the table. The apple is a fruit. I love fruits. They're very healthy. Then, I'm going to put the banana on the table. The banana is also a fruit. It's a yellow fruit. It has a peel. You must peel the banana before you can eat it. Then, I'm going to put the bread in the bread basket. We keep the bread in a bread basket. We don't put the bread in the refrigerator. Then, I'm going to put the oranges in the fruit basket. We put the oranges in the fruit basket. I don't put them in the fridge. Then, I'm going to put the milk in the refrigerator. The milk must be cold. It's very important. Then, I'm going to put the eggs in the refrigerator. The eggs must also be cold. Then, I'm going to put the yogurt in the refrigerator. Yogurt is like milk. It must be cold. Then, I'm going to put the cereal in the pantry. We keep the cereal in the pantry. Then, I'm going to put the pasta in the pantry. We keep the pasta in the pantry. It's a dry food. Then, I'm going to put the coffee in the pantry. I love coffee. Every morning, I drink coffee. Then, I'm going to close the door of the refrigerator. It's full of food. It's full of healthy food. Well, folks, I hope you enjoy coming shopping with me at the grocery store. I hope you learned lots of new words and you learned some useful phrases, like I would like to buy and how much does this cost? And thank you. If you were able to come with me to the grocery store and make some purchases, I'm very proud of you. You don't need a phone. You don't need an internet connection. You just need your mouth. That's real English. Try it tomorrow at your local grocery store or supermarket. Don't be afraid. Go for it. I believe in you. See you next time. Bye bye. Before you go, please click the subscribe button. It's free and it helps you improve your English step by step. Please click the bell so you never miss a lesson. Write a comment below. Tell me what you learned today. I bought an apple today. Share this lesson with your friends on social media. Thanks for watching. See you next time.